Mihang'o gicukiro-ini giki kiria kire barabara-ini ya Maai Mahiu guthii Narok irambiririe mweri-ini wa mugwanja mweri wa gatano na kwa ihinda riri container 8,000 nicio irikitie kurehwo. Kuringana na Peter Masinde uria urugamirire mihang'o gicukiro-ini giki namba ya container ithiite na mbere na kuongerereka na thutha wa gukinya guku icoka gutwarwo mabururi turigainie ta Tanzania na Rwanda.
The uptake of the business has been very good. We are now operating at an average of 40%. We've gone even up to 45%, which in terms of utilization of port facilities is quite good because once you approach 60%, then you are approaching what we call congestion. So we are now operating within acceptable levels.
Ihinda-ini riu Masinde augite kumana na murimu wa COVID-19 urugamiriri wa gicukiro giki ndurarekereria mirigo kuri matereba aria matare na marua kuma ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri makumetikirie guthii na mbere na thabari ciao.
Basically they must have gotten the certificate of clearance that they are COVID free. So through that we've managed to ensure that we do not have the spread of COVID-19 within this facility or within the region. And it's to that effect that we're encouraging our partners not to go all the way to Mombasa to pick their consignment. All clients basically west of Nairobi, they don't need to go to Mombasa, but they just have to come here because near to, I would say, their premises.
Akiaria hindi ya icera riake gicukiro-ini giki mutabariri wa mihang'o ya thirikari gitaru-ini kia Rift Valley George Natembeya augite gicukiro giki ni gikuhe Mbeu njithi mieke ya mawira kuona mihang'o no guthii rathi na mbere na kuongerereka.
We are asking the local people also to take advantage of this facility, not just like a tourist attraction. No, it's here to serve the local people. We want them to come and invest here in terms of putting up support services, including petrol stations, service centers. All these vehicles need to be serviced and repaired.
Oho Natembeya ni arutire mukana ene migunda aria mathiite na mbere na kuongerera thogora wa migunda na kuga thirikari ni ihariire kuri haria mahutitio waki-ini wa reri. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV retorekwa ni wa Mbeu wa Maina.